Welcome to LawEd's e-learning course, The Law Uncovered. My name is Professor Kit Woods. I've spent years studying, educating and devising content around all areas of the law in Ireland. My goal is to help educate young people like you about the law. My motto is that everyone needs to know the law, not just lawyers. My expertise will give you the knowledge you need to navigate some of the concerns that might arise in your daily life and clarify how much you already know about your rights and responsibilities. As a young person, your relationship with the law is complex. It is essential you understand it as the law impacts every part of your daily life. So how will this course benefit you exactly? By the time you have completed this course, you will know the difference between a criminal law and civil law, how our legal system works, especially for young people, your rights when being searched, questioned and arrested by the Gardaí, the laws and implications around underage smoking, drinking and drug taking, the age of consent and sexual relationships, online privacy, cyberbullying, explicit images, revenge porn and your digital footprint. Understanding the law can be much easier when you see examples and scenarios play out. Let me introduce you to the residents of a small Irish town called Ciste.ie. These are the people you'll get to know throughout this course, and they face different legal situations and challenges. So let's meet them now. This is the Green family. Peter and Christine, the mum and dad, and Jason and Charlene are their teenage children. Charlene Green's best friend in school is Natalie Peacock, and Charlene's boyfriend is Alex Spooner. Jason Green's best friend is Joey Moran, and Jason's girlfriend is Samantha Jackson. At Ciste.ie Community School, we have Stacey Smith. Jason has a juvenile liaison officer called Kevin Barry. Next up are the Green family's neighbours, Ned Tynan, Kathy Wilson and Hector Ryan. Lastly, from Ciste.ie Garda Station, Garda Max Strong and Detective Emma Lee. With 8 modules filled with interactive content, activities, supporting resources and scenario challenges, you'll have plenty to discover. So, what are we waiting for? Let's jump in and begin our journey of discovery on the Irish legal system now.